Hello students, welcome to the online class of English subject. Students, we have already learned first poem, A Pretty Game. Hope you all have understood the poem and written the notes of it. Today we are going to learn second chapter of English, that is chapter number 2, Go and Come. Students, what do you understand from go and come? Yes, these two are opposite words. Go, come. So come on now, let's start with the lesson.
There was a little boy who lived in a pretty little cottage. Cottage means a small simple house. Now students, this is a story about a little boy who used to live in a pretty little cottage. See children, in this picture there are many cottages. We find cottages in rural areas or small villages. There was a lovely garden around the cottage. Different kinds of plants grew in the garden, and so there was a lot of work to do there. Around the little boy's cottage, there was a very beautiful garden, and different types of plants grew in the garden. So there was a lot of work to do in the garden. Students, the plants had to be watered every day. Means पौधों को पानी देना पड़ता था. The plants to grow require water. So they have to water the plants every day. They had to be given manure from time to time. Manure means material mixed with soil to help plants grow. We also need food to grow. Same way the plants also need food to grow. So manure is plants food. उन पौधों को वक्त पे खाद देना पड़ता था. They had to be cut and pruned at the right time. Prune means cut off dead or unwanted parts of a plant to help it to grow well. Students, just like we cut our nails, we have our hair cut. Similarly, plants also need to be cut or pruned so that they can grow properly. उन पौधों को समय पर काटना और छांटना पड़ता था. The garden needed weeding and cleaning. Weeding means removing troublesome, unwanted plants from a field or garden. Students, in the garden, the unwanted plants which are not required has to be removed and cleaned. So that means अनचाहे पौधों को निकालना और सफाई करना. Everybody in the little boy's family helped to take care of the garden. Students, there was lot of work to be done in the garden, just as watering the plants, pruning, cutting, weeding and cleaning the garden. So everybody in the boy's family helped each other. सभी जन गार्डन के देखभाल करने मदद करते थे. The boy had a very strict uncle who came to stay with them for a few days. The uncle believed in hard work and discipline. Now students, this little boy had a very strict uncle who had come to stay with them for few days. And the uncle was a very hard-working and a disciplined person. Discipline means one who obeys the rules and orders. One day he saw that the boy was playing around in the house. So one day the little boy's uncle saw that the boy was playing in the house and was not doing any work in the garden. Little boy, said the uncle, you would be far better at work. Seeing the boy playing in the house, the uncle said that you would be far better at work. Means you should do some work. Your garden needs weeding sadly. Go now and weed it like a good child. Uncle said that your garden needs weeding. Weeding means removing unwanted plants. Sadly, very much. Go now and weed it like a good child. अच्छे बच्चे की तरह अनचाहे पौधों को निकालो और साफ करो. But the little boy did not feel like weeding that day. So students, that day the little boy was not in the mood of weeding. I can't do it, he said. Little boy said that he can't do it. Oh yes, you can, said the uncle. Uncle said, yes, you can do the work. Then, well, I don't want to, not just now, said the little boy. Then the little boy said that he did not want to do it just now. But you must, said his uncle. Don't be naughty, but go at once and do your work. This is an order. Get up and go. But the uncle said the boy not to be naughty and ordered him to go at once and do your work. लड़का मूड में नहीं था काम करने का अभी, लेकिन फिर भी अंकल ने उसे ऑर्डर किया कि जाओ और अभी जाकर गार्डन में काम करो. The uncle was himself a hard-working man. He went away to carry on with his own work in another room. But the little boy sat still. He felt that his uncle was being unfair. Now student, the uncle was a very hard-working man, means mehnati. He went away to carry on with his own work in another room. But the little boy sat there only. He felt that his uncle was being very unfair to him. अच्छी तरह से treat नहीं कर रहा है. His chin began to wobble. He had a lump in his throat and his eyes welled up. Students, the boy thought that his uncle was not being fair with him. So his chin began to wobble. Wobble means to move in a shaky way. यानी लड़खड़ा गया उसका chin. And he had a lump in his throat. Means a tight feeling in the throat due to strong emotions. उसका गला भर आ गया और आंखों में से आंसू निकल गया. Welled up means eyes filled with tears. Just then his mother walked in. What's the matter, little boy? She asked. Why do you look so unhappy? Uncle told me to weed the garden, said the little boy. Seeing the boy unhappy, the mother asked, What happened? What's the matter? The child said, Uncle told me to weed the garden. I am not in the mood of weeding the garden. Oh, said his mother, what fun that will be. I love to weed, and it is such a fine day. Can I come and help you to weed? Now see students, how the mother convinced in a polite way because she knew that the little boy was upset. So the mother said, Can I join you? We both together will weed the garden. It will be fun. Why? Yes, said the boy. Come, let's do it now, said his mother. The boy got up readily and went outside with his mother. The boy said yes now. The little boy is ready to weed because the mother was not ordering, but the mother is saying that she will also work and have fun. The boy was happy and said the mother yes. So the boy stood up quickly and happily they weeded the garden. The two of them weeded the garden beautifully and had a very good time together, working and chatting and laughing. The boy and his mother weeded the garden beautifully, having fun, and they worked and chatting. Chatting means students talking and laughing. This is the lesson I explained. How things can be done by convincing and not ordering. Now students, what we learned from this lesson? What is the moral of the lesson? Yes, let's do good work together. See, when the little boy was rudely ordered by his uncle to weed the garden, he felt that he was being forced to do something. But when his mother asked him nicely and made it sound like fun, he was happy to do the weeding, and he did the weeding beautifully with his mother, chatting together. So students, so this lesson is called as go and come. Instead of telling go, do that work, if we tell come, we will request somebody to do it in a polite way. The work is done beautifully.
Students, hope you all have understood the lesson. Read the lesson from the textbook. Notes I have sent in PDF file. Write it in your English notebook in a neat and good handwriting.
Till then, goodbye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep learning. Thank you.